I want to get a $5 fill up.
KFC, that's what?
I want to get a $5 fill up.
We don't have $5 anymore.
Do y'all have anything similar to it?
No, sir. What you like to order?
Can I get a 2-piece dinner?
You want the number one?
Number one. Yeah, sir. But I want 2 thighs with it.
Original crispy.
Original.
What's your side and your drink?
For the side, I want to get mashed potatoes, and for the drink, sweet tea. Y'all, KFC with it. I ain't got no intro, and that'll be it.
707.
I ain't got no intro, y'all. We ain't got no intro today. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing with them, man. We're gonna secure that chicken today, man. We ain't got no intro today. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. We ain't playing with them. So the whole point of this video today, y'all, I'm just giving y'all a straight POV video. Nothing crazy. I mean, bro, straight POV. Straight out the iPhone. Straight quality, bro. We passing everybody today. Like I said, it ain't no intro. I ain't even showing my face on y'all today, bro. I ain't even showing my face today. You know what I'm saying? I'm just giving y'all a straight POV in the vet, man. For real. Straight POV in the vet. Real talk. Top off. Beautiful day outside today. 92 degrees outside. Sweating. 8-balling. Everything. Got everything going on, man. Straight POV, man. For real. Tell me, bro, I'm the first YouTuber, bro, to start an intro out at the drive-thru. At the drive-thru, though. Real talk. At the drive-thru, man. For real.
I'm driving your daddy's car.
Huh?
I said driving your daddy's car.
This is my car. This is my daddy's car. I promise this is my car.
That's in your daddy's car. Yeah.
This is my car. I swear, this is my car.
It's nice. I'm messing with you.
Hey, I
It's
appreciate
yours
it.
for real?
Yeah, this is mine.
Nice.
Yeah, I appreciate it. You care about
How long
being?
you had it?
Probably about 2 months.
Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
That's what's up, young man. That's what's up.
Shit, I said my daddy's car. Come on, y'all. Young ball out here flexing, man. I said my daddy's car. Telling y'all YouTube, man. They try to say I rent the car. They try to say I rent the car.
Oh,
That's what they been saying. They said I rent it. Now it's my daddy's car.
right. Why we just can't believe it's your car?
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, why we just can't believe
That's what I'm
it?
saying.
We just can't believe it's your car. We have to say it's your daddy's or somebody. You renting it up. All right, young
All right,
man.
you have a good one, though.
You do the same.
Oh, man. I'm telling y'all, bro. They trying to say it's my daddy's car, man. Oh, my God. Bro. Yeah, man, I'm telling y'all, they say I rent this mug. This is my daddy's car. Come on, man. Hey. Man, I'm about to show them. I'm about to show everybody this ain't my daddy's car, bro. Real talk. You know what I'm saying, man? Everybody be... Man, come on, bro. Come on, bro. We in the neighborhood with it, man. We in the neighborhood with it, man. Y'all hear the turbos in this mug, man. Y'all stop playing with me, man. They trying to... Man, that's crazy. They really be hating on track, though. You know what I'm saying? We're going to the neighborhood with it. We're going to go to the neighborhood on them. You know what I'm saying? Straight road. Straight road. No speed bumps. Railroad track. Okay. Y'all hear the turbos in this mug, man. I'm going to flip this mug around. Y'all... That's crazy, bro. How they be saying that, bro. It's crazy how they be saying that. Go through with it, man. Y'all hear the turbos in this mug. I know y'all hear it, bro. I know y'all hear it. Hey, I know y'all hear the turbos, bro. Come on, man. Straight POV today. It's crazy, man. I don't even know where I'm going right now. I'm just going somewhere without a destination. Somewhere without a destination. We just riding. We're just riding now. Y'all hear the turbo? Y'all stop playing, bro. I'm telling you. Man, it's crazy, man. Straight POV. Man, they got rid of the motor. They got rid of the motor up on me, bro. They gotta cool out with that. They gotta cool out with that, bro. Straight, bro. Tell me the first person, bro, whoever did that, though. Started out an intro at KFC, bro. Stop playing. Stop playing with me, man. Y'all gotta stop playing. I know this Mustang is gonna try to get beside me like that. Oh, a woman trying to... Don't play with me, girl. Don't play with me, girl. You know what I'm saying? Y'all playing, bro. Y'all playing. Grandma ain't playing with them. Telling y'all, bro. Telling y'all, man. They be playing with me, man. Oh, man. Let's go. Get them, man. We getting all these videos in, straight POVs, bro. We're gonna get, you know what I'm saying, y'all? I really, bro, it's crazy how they be saying that my car ain't fast. They always say it's a rental car. They say it's my daddy's car. I mean, bro, like, I just can't catch a break out here. Everybody been saying that lately, bro. Like, y'all cool out, bro. Calm down. Talking about stunting your daddy car. Man, this is my car. You feel me? And I'm gonna be humble about it, yo. Like, I work hard. I work hard for everything I got. You feel me? Everything that I got, I work hard for. A lot of people don't believe this is mine, but you know what? It's all good. It's all good, bro. Like, everybody just be, you know, what's the word for it? Just shocked, bro. Just shocked that this is really mine. You feel me? For real. So that's how it goes. I'll pull over here. What's they doing? What's they doing? Yes, ma'am. You all right?